Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a new contact on OPPO Find X2. Firstly, go into the Phones app. Now go into Contacts. Tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can, if you tap on this guy, you can select the profile picture for this contact. So I'll select the picture from my gallery. Tap on crop photo. Now we can crop and align your picture just so it suits this. Right. Now tap on this icon, the top right corner, and if you tap on this arrow, you're going to see every blank for names such as prefix, first name, middle name, last name, and a suffix. Obviously, you don't have to fill all of these blanks. You'll just have to fill in the first name and perhaps the last name. You can also add a phone number. Obviously, you can add a few of these and label each one of them as something different. This one can be home, let's say, and this one will be work. It works the same with an email. You can add a few of these and label each one of them individually as something different. You can also tap on show more to see more blanks, and the blanks are going to be like phonetic name, phonetic middle name, phonetic first name, company, job title. You can select an custom ringtone just for this contact. You can also select a custom vibration for this contact only. You can add address, I am, a date, maybe this time as something custom, and we'll set it as appointment, and let's set it as 29th of February of 2020. Why I cannot? Okay, let's set it as 26th of December of 2024. A related person, nickname, website, and you can also write notes about this contact. Then you also have something like groups. You can create a group like, I don't know, work, colleagues, family, friends, maybe trip, family and friends, and then you can assign this contact to some of these groups. Let's say it's going to be work and friends. Now tap on this contact and tap on this icon in the right corner, and if you have set up everything, you obviously don't have to fill all of these blanks. You just have to fill the home, first name, and the phone number. After you've done everything, just tap on this icon in the right corner. Now if you would like to share some information about this contact, you just have to hold the information that you would like to share, tap on copy, and now you can just paste it somewhere. Also, you can just tap on the three dots in the right corner, tap on share, and then you can just share it as a text or as a vCard. So if you choose to share it as a text, you can just copy it and paste it somewhere, and then you will be able to select the informations. Just delete the informations that you would like to that they would prefer not to share, and also you can share it as vCard. So now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the information for this contact. So that's going to be all. If it helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have more questions, let us know in the comments.